Let's meet a phone with flagship Snapdragon performance, triple 50-megapixel cameras, massive 7560 mAh battery and an actual built-in woofer speaker system. Redmi just went completely crazy with the new Xiaomi Redmi K90 Pro Max. But is this really the ultimate flagship killer of 2026? Today, we're breaking down everything about Redmi K90 Pro Max. Starting with the design, the Redmi K90 Pro Max looks seriously premium. You get flat edges, slim bezels, a metal frame, and a flagship-style camera module. The phone has a very clean and modern look, especially from the backside. Even with that gigantic battery inside, Redmi somehow kept the phone under 8mm thickness. On the front, Redmi gives us a massive 6.9-inch OLED display. You will get 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10 Plus support, ultra-high brightness, and smooth touch response. Scrolling feels buttery smooth, gaming feels responsive, and watching movies on this display should look amazing. Outdoor visibility is also excellent thanks to the very high peak brightness. Now let's move to the cameras. The Redmi K90 Pro Max comes with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel Periscope telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The main sensor is expected to deliver sharp details, strong low-light performance, and flagship-level image quality. For video lovers, the phone also supports high-resolution video recording, making it a solid option for content creators. Now this is one of the biggest highlights of the phone. The Redmi K90 Pro Max packs a massive 7560 mAh battery. For normal users, this could easily last more than a full day, and even heavy users should get excellent battery backup. Charging is also super fast with 100-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging support. This phone is built for serious performance. Inside, Redmi packed the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset along with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. That means fast app opening, smooth multitasking, better gaming performance, and faster file transfers. Redmi also added a large cooling system to control heating during long gaming sessions. The Redmi K90 Pro Max is available in multiple premium colors, black, white, and blue or denim edition. Each color gives a different vibe, but personally, the blue edition looks the most unique. Redmi is offering multiple storage options for different users. Variants include 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, 12GB plus 512GB, 16GB plus 512GB, and a massive 16GB RAM plus 1TB storage option. So whether you're a casual user or a heavy gamer, there's a variant for everyone. This phone has one of the most unique speaker systems we've seen in a smartphone. Redmi added stereo speakers, plus a dedicated woofer speaker tuned with Bose. So this is actually a 2.1-channel speaker setup. In terms of durability, Redmi included IP68 water and dust resistance, strong front glass protection, and a sturdy metal frame. So the phone should easily handle daily use and feel solid in hand. For connectivity, the Redmi K90 Pro Max includes 5G support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, USB Type-C, dual SIM support, and even an IR blaster. Inside the box, you can expect the Redmi K90 Pro Max, fast charging adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM ejector tool, protective case, and documentation. So overall, the Redmi K90 Pro Max looks like a complete flagship package. Now the big question is, would you actually buy this phone? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.